If you've ever wanted to raise your credit score, find a better interest rate, do some budgeting, or just monitoring your credit, chances are you have checked out a credit monitoring platform. Today, I'm going to compare Credit Karma to WalletHub so you can choose which is best for you. Hey there, I'm Brittany Flammer, a certified financial coach and the creator of From Paycheck to Prosperity, a free virtual summit to help you ditch debt and build wealth. If you want more info on registering, click the link in the description box down below. Today I want to compare Credit Karma and WalletHub side by side so you can choose which one's best for you. If you want more info, I have more detailed videos on each of them. I will include links down below. Let's start off with the dashboard, which is what you see when you first log in. With Credit Karma, it's going to show you your credit score and it's going to give you credit card recommendations as well as different loan and different offers. You can personalize it a little bit. You can choose what credit score you see and a few other factors. But no matter what, even if you delete everything else, it's still going to show you different credit card and loan offers. At WalletHub, here on my dashboard, you can see a credit score as well as a wallet score, my total debt, different alerts, and then there are some offers. It is completely customizable. You can click to add all of these different widgets with lots of different options on them. You can also, if there's something you don't want, you can hide the widget so you won't see it. And you can create multiple different customized dashboards. So if you want to focus on different things, you can create different dashboards and save them. Well, let's talk about credit. They both look at your credit a little bit differently. Credit Karma, they show you your score details. So you can look at your credit score over time between different accounts. You can see how you're doing in the different components that make up your credit score. So here you can see the total number of accounts I have needs work. But it's also low impact, which means it's not super important compared to other factors. And you can see your full report if you want to. If you go into accounts in the credit section, it's going to show you all of the accounts that are affecting your credit score. It'll show you what your balance is, what percentage of your credit you're using, and it will even show you your closed accounts. Under the monitoring section, it's going to tell you if you've had any breaches to your credit, and it will show you whether your credit is locked or unlocked at the different credit bureaus. WalletHub shows you a few different things. It starts with a credit analysis. This is where it shows you your score. It's going to show you credit alerts. If something good or bad happens to your credit, it will notify you here. And it's going to give you a grade on the different factors that make up your credit report. So it gives you a letter grade. And if you look here, you can see that my account age is bad, but it's only moderately important. Under credit, they show you alerts, which means if your score goes up or down, they are going to notify you. If you click on it, it gives you a few more details. It shows you what your score was versus what it is now. They also have a credit simulator. So if you're going to miss a payment or make an extra payment, or you're going to get a higher balance on a credit card, or you're going to pay something off, you can see how it's going to affect your credit score. Now, it's not 100% guaranteed, it's just a simulator, but it gives you an idea of how something will impact your score. They also have a debt payoff tab, so it's going to show you your total debt, and it's going to show you if you make extra payments, how soon you could have your debt paid off. You can also exclude debt, so maybe you're not worried about paying off your mortgage, you can exclude that. Or maybe there's a credit card you have that you pay off monthly, you don't want that to count as debt against you. You can customize it and exclude the ones you want to. The account section for both of these is very similar. Credit Karma, when you open up the accounts, it's going to have some suggested actions for you. So you can see here in mine, it's recommending I refinance or that I take out a personal loan. I don't know why it would recommend I refinance because our interest rate is so low. That seems kind of lame to me, but it does have different recommendations. If you click on one account, it's going to expand to show you a lot more info. With WalletHub, it's going to give you an overall view of all of your accounts, not just the accounts that reflect on your credit report. So you can add accounts to various financial institutions. So for your bank account or investment account, you can link it and they will all appear here. And if you click on it, it's going to give you more info and it will show you transactions from that account. Now let's talk about credit monitoring. With Credit Karma, I kind of already explained earlier what that looks like. With WalletHub, they offer identity protection. So it's going to show you if your credit is locked or unlocked at the various credit bureaus. With TransUnion, it will let you lock and unlock it for you. They'll also check the dark web for your email addresses. They will do password monitoring. You can set notifications so you'll get notified if you have a transaction over a certain amount. They'll look for breaches with your address. Now let's talk about some of the other features. Each of them have additional features above and beyond credit. With Credit Karma, they offer bank accounts. You can get a checking account, a savings account, or if you qualify, you can get a credit building account. Credit Karma can also help you with taxes. It is part of the Intuit suite, which includes TurboTax as well as QuickBooks. So if you're using those, it might be easier to monitor your credit and stuff here. It's linked to it. They can estimate your taxes after you answer a few questions. WalletHub has many additional features. One, you can set goals. You can create a goal with a set amount you want to save per month or a set date you want it to have it saved by, and it's going to track your progress. WalletHub also gives you a wallet score, which is not just your credit score. It takes into account a bunch of financial factors to give you an overall financial score. They also have an entire section on spending, which could also be labeled budgeting. They have a spending dashboard, which you can completely customize to see where all of your money is going, what stores, what categories, where it's all going. Like I said, you can completely customize it. For those accounts that you have linked to WalletHub, it's automatically going to import and categorize your transactions for you. Now, you can make changes if you want, but it's going to do the bulk of the work for you. And they have a budgeting option, which is pretty amazing. You can choose between, right now they have 5 different budget options, different types of budgets. So you could do a cash envelope budgeting, you could do a simple budget, you could do a 50, 20, 30 budget. But I love the fact that you can look at different budgets and try out different budgets to see what works best for you. They also have an investment section, so you can link your investments. It's going to show you your overall net worth, your investments at a glance. Now let's talk about recommendations, because both of these are going to give you recommendations on credit cards, on loans, on insurance policies, all things like that. With Credit Karma, it's kind of on every page all over the place. Whether you're searching for it or not, by default, it is going to recommend things for you, whether you want it to or not. With WalletHub, there are sections where you can go to look for a credit card or to look for a new car insurance policy, but it's not like glaringly obvious. It doesn't feel salesy at all. Now let's talk about price. Credit Karma is completely free. WalletHub is mostly free. Most all of these features I talked about are completely free. They do have a premium version with some enhanced identity monitoring, credit monitoring, and identity protection services. I will share a screenshot with what's included and the pricing there, but most of it is included in the free version. Let me know in the comments down below which one you prefer or which one you are using. If you're interested in getting rid of debt or building wealth, check out my free virtual summit. That link is down below. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.